Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to locate 3D print files on the internet, prep them for printing, and then transfer them to the printer for printing. This is a useful technique for making things come to life in the classroom, and many students enjoy it. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our web browser and type in ultimaker.com. This is what we call a slicer in the 3D print world. This allows us to prep the file for printing and make changes to it if we need. So you're going to click download for free, select your computer system, and then follow the prompts when the download prompter appears. I already have the file downloaded, so I can't re-download it. Once that happens, we're going to open up another browser and type in thingiverse.com. Thingiverse is an online community that offers lots of different print files. You can find millions of things here to print. For our project, we're going to look for railroad bridges, so we're going to go railroad bridge in the search bar and hit search. So we're going to select the first model that appears, and then when it loads in, we're going to select the blue button that says download all files. Allow the download prompt to occur. Once it's downloaded, the zip file, we're going to select it. And then we're going to select the file, hit extract all. It's going to have another prompt pop up, and then we're going to hit extract. A new dialog box will pop up. You'll see the same file. You're going to double click it, and then you'll double click the first file here. This will prompt Cura to open. Cura is the program that we downloaded earlier. You'll see the bridge on the build plate, and if you're satisfied with how it is on the build plate, you go over here. You'll select standard quality, make sure it's selected. After that, we're going to go to the button in the bottom right hand corner and select slice. This will tell the printer this is the settings that we want. And then we're going to insert our USB adapter with our micro SD card into the printer, into the computer. This is what we'll save with. So give it a minute to slice. This will also give it estimated time to print. So this one is 4 hours and 13 minutes. We'll hit save to removable drive. Another prompt will appear, and after it saves, you hit eject. And then you'll remove the micro SD card from your computer and take it over to the printer. Thank you. This is the USB drive with the adapter that you'll use to transfer the file to the printer. Okay, so after you put your file onto the SD drive, you're going to come over to your printer. You're going to power it on. Printer's going to load in. We're going to take the little card, come over to this slot, and insert the card. The screen's going to load in. We're going to go to prepare. First, we're going to auto home. That will move the 3D print extruder into place. After auto home, we're going to go to preheat PLA, and we're going to hit preheat PLA, and that's going to load. That's going to tell the bed and the extruder, which melts the plastic, so the filament up top, to heat up to prep. And while that's heating, we're going to hit the select with the knob. We're going to go print from TF. And then the first file is the one we're going to be using. We're going to hit select. That's going to tell the printer once it's done heating up that we want it to start printing. And Now we wait. Unfortunately, this print failed due to 2 broken parts, and these parts will not be here in time to try for a successful print. One thing you'll learn about 3D printing, you have to have a